How to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, see All Apps and Search Messages app from here. Click on Messages app and click on Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache. After click on Clear Cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset option and click on Reset Network Settings. After click on Reset Network Settings, you will see go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.